Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to be back filming again. I've missed you guys, and this is the first video that I'm filming with my new hair. Last week I posted a picture of my hair like this, kind of like beachy, curly, summery to Instagram, and loads of you were asking me to film a tutorial on how I do this. And honestly, beforehand I wasn't gonna do a hair video on how I get my hair like this because honestly there are so many on YouTube, but seeing as you guys have asked, and a few of you guys were saying to me that you would love to get your hair cut like this but you don't think that you would be able to style it how I do, and honestly I am here to tell you, girl, you can do it. This literally took me 10 minutes. I am no hair expert, and it's so quick and easy, and it makes you look like you've really made an effort, and that is my kind of hairstyle. But yeah, before we get into this little style, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you have, then be sure to hit the bell as well to make sure you're notified when I upload, and let's jump straight into this. So this is what my hair looks like when it's freshly washed and dried. Basically, I just put the hairdryer on, tipped my head upside down and gave it a little blast. There is nothing strategic about my hair drying. So firstly, I just grab my GHD heat protectant spray and pretty much just spray it all over really. So first off, what I do is I just part my hair down the middle so I look blimmin' fabulous. And then I get my straighteners. These are GHDs, I just swear by them. I love them, and I straighten the very ends just really quickly, just to make sure they're not completely straight, but just so that they're not curling anywhere, because I do have naturally wavy hair. If you've got naturally straight hair, you won't need to do this, but if you've got a wave or a curl, it just helps to get those little kinks out. And then I get my bobble and I basically just put the top layer of my hair up and leave the bottom layer, I'll leave a little bit more down. Leave the bottom layer down. The reason why I straighten the ends of my hair, by the way guys, is just because if they're super curled, it just looks more glam, whereas when the ends are straight, it looks a bit more beachy, which is what I'm going for today. It's kind of the look I go for most of the time, to be honest. And then I'm using my Numi 3-in-1 hair curler. I'm using the smallest barrel. It does have 3, as the name suggests. This is my ride or die hair curler, by the way. When my hair was long, I used to always use the biggest barrel. By the way, I'm not telling you what I'm doing, am I? I'm just curling my hair over the barrel basically, and I'm leaving a little bit out, that little straight bit at the end, and I leave it for about 10 seconds and then I let it go, and it'll be quite curly, but I'm gonna ruffle through it in a bit. And then because I went over the last time, I'm gonna go underneath this time. This curling wand honestly scares me. Oh gosh, that didn't work, did it? Ooh, my curl looks okay though. I'm just gonna curl the end of this under. I kind of do it really randomly, like it doesn't matter if some bits aren't curled, because it just adds to that kind of natural beachy look rather than it looking like properly defined curls. This curling wand, I've got to say, does scare me slightly. I always burn myself on it. And then I just keep on going around my head, doing the same thing over and then under. Guys, I'm so excited to be back filming, by the way. What do you think of my new background? Let me know. These prints are from Desenio. I am gonna do a room tour, but believe it or not, my room is not actually finished right now, and neither's my bathroom. It's been going on for a month. I need it finished. It's just taken over my life, but it's just kind of little niggly bits that need finishing off now. So hopefully it'll be done really soon. I'm gonna do a bathroom tour. I'm gonna do a room tour. I've been harping on about this for ages, but it's coming, guys, it's coming. It's difficult. Yeah, I'm an absolute pro, aren't I? You can get these curling ones on Beauty Bay, by the way. I'll link it down below in case you're interested, along with like all the products I've used and everything. And then I just tie this bottom bit down in a bobble just to keep it all together. And I let the top section down. If you remember in my hair tutorials that I did when my hair was longer, I do my hair in 3 sections and I still kind of stick by that. It just kind of works for my hair thickness, but if you've got thicker hair, obviously just do as many sections that you need. And I'm basically gonna do the same for this layer as I did for the bottom layer. This is the first time I've sat down to film in like over a month. How crazy is that? I'm usually just filming and editing and uploading constantly. I won't lie, I've actually enjoyed having a little bit of a break, but it's been stressful. Like, I was wanting to do loads of Instagram makeup looks and stuff like that, but I just haven't been able to. I've been doing so much housey stuff. I haven't worn makeup in like weeks. I'm just happy to have my makeup on and be sat here with you guys, to be honest. What have you guys been up to lately? Let me know down below. Like, have you been on any holidays? What are you doing with your lives? I do take quite big chunks, to be honest. I know that a lot of people take smaller chunks, but I kind of just, I'm gonna go under. I kind of just find this works for me. I don't like having lots of kind of small defined curls. I prefer it if my hair just looks generally wavy / curly. So yeah guys, I'm back into my weekly upload schedule now. Wednesdays 5 PM, Sundays 12 PM. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that is so curly. And then I just take this bottom bobble out and I put it around all of my hair. And then I'll just go ahead and let the top layer down. So for this top layer, I just kind of roughly part my hair down the middle. I'm not going to stick with a middle parting, but it just kind of helps me get the right shape that I want for my hair. And I'm going to go over and backwards. Notice how I'm starting quite near to the root. I never used to start this near to the root when my hair was longer, just because my curls would end up really tight, but it just helps my curls to kind of last for longer. And then for my front bit, I'm gonna go under. And I'm only gonna come up halfway. I'm not gonna go really close to the root. And that just helps to kind of frame the face. And then I just let it all down and run my fingers through it, get it all messy, get rid of all those really tight curls. And then I get my Hair by Sam McKnight Cool Girl Texturizing Spray. I swear by this stuff. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. And I just kind of lift my hair up, spray it all in the roots and through the lengths of my hair, and just keep on messing it up, really. And then once I'm finished messing on with it, I'll grab my L'Oreal Elnet hairspray. I swear by this stuff. I love it. I've used it for years and years and years. I use the normal strength one, and I'll just spray a little bit through my hair, and I'll like lift my hair up and spray it. Just kind of gives your hair a little bit more volume, and I'll scrunch the ends a little bit, which also just adds to the volume. Also, I usually do this before hairspray, but I forgot. I use a little bit of the Way Rose Hair and Body Oil. Again, I swear by this. I love it so much. And I basically just put like the tiniest amount in my hands, rub it between my palms, and then take it through the ends of my hair. And it just kind of stops it from going frizzy and just smooths down any flyaways, and it smells amazing. So that is how I get my curls, guys. I told you there was nothing strategic about it. It's so quick and easy. But let me know if you'd like me to film any more hair tutorials, and if so, what styles would you like to see? And be sure to give the video a cheeky little thumbs up as usual if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!